Hey everyone, today I want to share a story that might just blow your mind. Imagine this. You're driving home late at night. You get pulled over for a minor traffic violation. You inform the officer that you have a concealed weapon in your glove box, with the clip stored separately in the trunk, just like the law requires. But instead of a routine ticket, you're handcuffed, hauled off to jail, and charged with improper firearm storage. That's exactly what happened to one man in 2025. He followed every rule, yet his life was turned upside down. Legal fees, lost time, and the stigma of being treated like a criminal for doing everything by the book. Now here's the kicker, a twist of fate that really drives home the injustice. The same officer, not long after, pulls over a woman with a loaded concealed weapon sitting right on her front seat. Completely accessible and far more dangerous than our first case. And what does the officer do? Smiles and waves her off. Don't worry about it, he says. Stay safe. Just like that, she's free to go without so much as a warning. This isn't just an isolated incident. It's part of a larger pattern, a double standard that punishes men while excusing women under identical circumstances. Why is it that men are often presumed guilty or dangerous when it comes to firearms, while women are given the benefit of the doubt? Let's break this down. According to federal law under 18 U.S.C. section 926A, transporting a firearm legally requires it to be unloaded and stored in an inaccessible location, like the trunk, with ammunition stored separately. The man in our story complied with these rules. The woman, she didn't. She should have been sent to jail. In fact, studies show that women are increasingly obtaining concealed carry permits, growing 115% faster than men over recent years. Yet when it comes to enforcement, men are disproportionately targeted for violations, even when they follow the law. This disparity extends beyond traffic stops. Men face harsher penalties in courtrooms, higher rates of incarceration for similar offences, and are often presumed guilty in situations where women are given leniency. It's not just about firearms. It's about how society views men as inherently dangerous or irresponsible, while viewing women as nurturing or harmless. These stereotypes have real consequences. The man in our story, he'll spend weeks fighting charges that could have been avoided if he had been treated with the same leniency as the woman. His reputation will suffer, his finances will take a hit, and his trust in law enforcement will erode. The woman? She'll never know what it feels like to be treated as guilty until proven innocent. Not because she followed the law better, but simply because society sees and treats her differently. She'll never have to dig into her wallet to pay lawyers, attorney fees, or court costs. Why? Is it because of corrupt cops and law enforcement targeting men for their monthly revenue needs? This isn't about pointing fingers. It's about addressing systemic biases that treat men and women differently under identical circumstances. If we truly believe in equality under the law, then justice must be blind, not influenced by gender or outdated stereotypes. After months of attorneys going after the city and the police officer, nothing was done. What do you think should happen to the officer? Adam, not Eve. Another case study on the extortion and manipulation of the male species. Thanks for watching. If you found this video eye-opening, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more in-depth stories. Until next time, stay informed and stay vigilant.